Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you my clearance haul from Hobby Lobby. I only found the dies and embossing folders marked as clearance, and I'm going to show you what I found. Look, all these dies were like about $14.99 and I got it for $3.75. Then, like for example, this one, it has an embossing folder and it has dies, so you can make a card like with a wreath in the center, and it has everything for the flowers and on the wreath. So it was very nice, and it's under $4. Then this one as well. All the $14.99 were marked to $3.75. And look, this one has the cake, the banner, the word that says celebrate. And these dies were $19.99 and I got it for $4.99, and this was C6. There was C6, Momenta, and Tim Holtz. Then I have this one that was $14.99 and I got it at $3.74. And these are dies. And this one right here, it's a 3D texture embossing folder. And this is a dimensional embossing folder. And this one was $12.99 and I got it for $3.24. Then I have this one that it's the same price. It was $12.99 and I got it at $3.24. And this one has knitting design, and it's a dimensional embossing folder too. And I'm going to show you. And this is how the embossing folder looks like. And as you can see, it's very deep embossing. And here is another embossing folder that I got, and the price of this was $9.99 and I got it at $2.49. As you can see, it has leaves in there. And then I got this one that was $13.99 and I got it at $3.49. And these are the switch lids, and it's one embossing folder that has magnets, and you can put 3 different dies to cut the edge of the circle, and it has like a straight circle, and then it has 2 that are like scallop, and as you can see, it has a scallop edge, and one is a little bit bigger than the other one. And you can put that on the embossing folder when you just put your paper, and then it will emboss the inside, as you can see right there, and it will cut the circle that you're going to use, and that can be for labels, for tags, for anything. Then I got this one at $3.49 as well, and it has the shape of a clover and a heart charm. And I'm going to show you the inside because it has a die, but this die is fixed in there. And you can emboss and cut at one time. And look, this one is a beautiful shape, and the embossing is beautiful as well. And for the clover, I was thinking to use them as petals of flowers, and maybe I can make like 2 or 3 and layer them and make beautiful flowers. I also got this embossing folder, and this is a small dimensional, and it was $10.99 and I got it at $2.74. And look, the size is like half of the other one, but it has beautiful designs for cards. And this one is same price, and it's a wood design, and they are just embossing folders. I went shopping with my sister and she got these dies, and as you can see, these are $22.99 and she got it for $5.75, I think. Then she got this die that was $14.99 and she just paid $3.74, and it has 2 mason jar, and you can make shaker with those items, and it has the flowers and everything. And here is another die that was $19.99 and she got it for $4.99, and it has this shape. Look, it's beautiful and big, so you can put as a background on your cards. And here is another one that was $12.99 and she paid $3.24, and this is a dimensional embossing folder. Then she got these foam adhesive sheets, and it was $10.99, and she got it for $2.74. And it comes 3 in black and 3 in white. Then she found these plates for her mini sidekick die cutting machine, and regular was $4.99, and she got it at $1.24. And it comes 2 plates. She loves that little machine. And now she has new plates for that. Look, this is how it looks. And yeah, it's awesome for $1.24 to have a new replacement, right? And the last embossing folder that she got was this one that was regular $13.99, and she got it at $3.49. See, it has a beautiful design. Then in the ribbon section, there was a lot of ribbon, and they were usually like $2.99, and I got it at 74 cents each roll. And I got all of these colors. This polka dot mint green, and I got it in pink, the same one in pink. And then I got another mint green, but this one has arrows printed, and some of them are gold, pink, and ivory. And then this one like blush pink. And almost all of them are 4 yards in each roll. And the last one is this tassel ribbon, and you just need like about 3 inches and roll them and make your tassels, and you can make beautiful embellishments. If you're interested in these items, visit your nearest Hobby Lobby because the clearance is happening now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now I'm going to show you some of the items that they have for fall and for Christmas. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye. And here is an overview of all the dies and embossing folders that are on clearance. Enjoy that tour.